Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. Good morning, children. So we meet again. I hope everyone is doing good. Well, today we are going to learn what comes after. What comes after? Through pictures, children. As you can be here, ma'am has painted so many fruits. Do you like to eat fruits? Yes, very good. Ma'am also loves eating. Now tell me which produce this. This is an apple. Now tell me after this apple, which fruit is this? This is grapes. Now tell me which fruit is this? This is cherry. After cherry, now tell me what is this? This is watermelon. Now, now tell me who is the king of the fruit? Is it mango? Yes. Very good. So this is mango. Now tell me which fruit is this? Watermelon. Which fruit is this? Grapes. Which fruit is this? Cherry. Which fruit is this? Apple. Now at first we have to identify which fruit is after watermelon. Children, after means next. So after watermelon, see here where is watermelon? Here it is. What after watermelon, mango. So we pick this card and keep it here. After watermelon, mango. After watermelon, mango. Is this grapes? Where is grapes? Here it is. Now, cherry. After grapes, cherry. Now pick this card and keep it here. Now, which fruit is this? Cherry. Where is cherry? Here it is. After cherry, watermelon. Now, we pick this card and keep it here. After cherry is watermelon. Now, what is this? This is apple. Where is apple? Here it is. Now, pick this here apple. Now, pick this card of grapes and keep it here. Now we have done all these, children. Did you enjoying this activity? Yes, very good. Okay, children, that's all for today. Keep practicing and happy learning. Goodbye. Take care. Allah Hafiz.